This is just a hearing test report. It actually tells you more than you think. You think your ear is fine. You have never failed a conversation. Then, why do you need a hearing test? Stay till the end. I'll tell you why. You fill gaps without noticing. You guess words. You rely on context, lips, and repetition. Your brain smooths over the misses, so everything feels normal until it isn't. A hearing test doesn't just measure sound, it measures how hard your brain is working to keep up. Two people can hear the same volume. One is relaxed, the other is exhausted. That difference shows up long before you feel hard of hearing. Don't wait for the clarity to break down in daily life. Get a hearing test at Zenaud.com.